Okay, here we go. The horizon stays at eye level no matter how high you fly. This is impossible on a globe, as the horizon will have to be lower and lower the higher you fly. This is proof we're not on a globe, sphere, or ball. This is when you're in a plane, this is what you see. Okay, when you're up high, anywhere, this is what you see. Eye level, horizon, horizon. Okay, if it was a globe, you would have to look down. You would never see it up to your eyes. You have to think. It would be downwards if it's a ball. Okay, it's not spinning at 1,000 miles an hour either. Okay, here you go. Walt Disney and Von Braun worked together to help you imagine Man in Space with Disney's trademark animation technique since 1955. Okay, and that's why in Orlando there is what is called Universal Studios. That's why it was created there. That's why it exists now. Is because they faked the moon landing in a fucking studio. Wake the fuck up. These are the visions of my head while on my bed. Okay, I was looking, and behold, a tree in the midst of the earth, and its height was great. The tree grew and became strong. Its height reached to the heavens. Okay, this is Devil's Tower. Okay, and this thing is a stump that used to be a tree. It's cut off. It's huge. Okay, the trees were huge. Okay, and this is the firmament. As you can see here, the moon and the sun are within the firmament, and so are the stars. And there's a dome. Everybody knew, the ancients knew. They know that you're in here. You can look out. You're trapped in this material plane. Okay, but how come nobody ever falls off on the research? Idiots. Dumbest question ever. And God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament and from the waters which were above the firmament. So when you look up and the sun, it's a sunny day, and you look up, it's the sun. That's why it's blue. Okay, it's blue water. The sun is lighting up the blue water. They make up this crazy shit about the sun coming in a certain angle and you see it. Fucking nonsense, dude. These people buy anything. It's running out for the globe. Everybody's going to wake up and then call it common knowledge and then call you idiot for thinking you ever it's fun and you're on a ball. Insane. And then here's your fake curvature, but you go outside and this is what you see. Period. Okay, we can only fly in Earth orbit. That's the farthest we can go. And this is an astronaut in 2015. Do you see a problem here? NASA says they went to the moon 8 times from 1968 to 72. Um, that's a problem. Okay, again, that's a problem. Okay, you're never gonna see. No matter what happens, you're never going to see a water curve like this. It'll only fill up whatever it's in, and then at the top it'll be flat, period. Einstein was once asked how it felt to be the smartest man alive. Einstein's reply was, I don't know, you'll have to ask Nikola Tesla. And guess what? Nikola Tesla knew that we're in a Tesla coil uh, type system, and that it was a flat earth plane realm, called the realm dome, okay? He knows these he laughs at these people, and he laughs at relativity too. Okay, terra firma, the Earth, not a planet. Okay, plane. Everybody knows this. Everybody knew this. The Egyptians knew it. The Hindus, Mayans, Inca, Navajo, Hebrew. The only idiots that don't know it are NASA. And look up what NASA means in Hebrew, to deceive you. That's what it means. Okay, this is what's going on here. You got the North Pole here. This is the South Pole, Antarctic wall. Okay, now the sun in the summertime is this tight circle. That's why, and it's slower. Okay, and then here's the equator path, and then out here for us in the United States, it would be winter, and the sun goes around here much faster because it's got to travel more in 24 hours. And that summer in Australia, and the faster it travels, the less time it has to heat up that particular area because it's not there as long. Okay, this is easy stuff. I don't know why nobody gets this shit. Okay, 1995 Illuminati card game. Science fiction fans, they've rubbed this shit in your face. Okay, People laugh, but the flat earthers know something. Okay? They damn sure do. They know they're not flying on a spinning fucking ball going through space like a fucking monkey. Space monkey. Shot out into space. And then look at this shit right here. This right here nails it for me. Okay? You see this right here? These little hexagons, all this. This is fake. This shit fucking place is fake as fuck. It's a hologram. This shit's a hologram. That's proof right there of a hologram. This is a fake fucking fractal hologram. Case closed. That's a red flag. Huge red flag when you see this shit. That's a huge red flag. This is fake. Oh my god, okay. Again, we got another problem here. All the moon missions are over here on this face, and then they show you this is what faces the Earth where we landed, but then they show you the moon behind it. Okay, that's a problem. Again, NASA fucks up all the time. They're idiots. Again, gravity can hold down oceans, but they can't hold down this shit. It's density and buoyancy, not gravity. It has to do with how much it weighs, period. Lighter things, density and buoyancy. The less dense it is, it will rise to its density level. Heavy stuff will fall to its density level, period, unless there's something more dense in the way. Okay, this is what it would look like for everybody if the Earth was spinning at 1,000 miles an hour. That's if you didn't get fucking flung off and fucking, up and, you know what I mean? And then the merry-go-round, spin around and let go, and you will fly the fuck off. Okay, this shit is crazy. They teach you the reverse of truth. They tell you gravity keeps you on a spinning ball when you would fly off. It's insane. If the Earth was round, these would only work at the top. Okay, they work everywhere in a flat plane. All compasses you have to hold flat to get them to work because they only point to the North Pole, the magnetic North Pole. Mount Meru. Mount Meru used to be a tree. They chopped the fucker down. The tree of life. Okay, now when they searched for the outer edge, this is called Operation High Jump because the Antarctic wall, you have to jump up high to get onto the fucking continent or ice, okay? And then Operation Fisher when they found the ceiling and they were trying to blow it up with atomic bombs because they're fucking nuts. Again, this is what we live in. Fucking eyeball. That's why you see an I-theme everywhere. And then here we go, the ShamWow guy. It's more like ScamWow, okay? He could probably sell you this shit. He fucker would buy anything, but he's a closer and he'll sell you. Again, every idiot in the world because they see round shit in the sky, disc, flat round disc, and that turn like a wheel, they don't rotate. Everything's the reverse of truth. Okay, so does that mean the basketball court's round too? Never seen anything round like that. They're all square. Football field square, volleyball court square, tennis court square, ping pong table square. You're in a box. They're trying to tell you something. And then you can't have this shadow like this. You cannot have this shadow with if the sun's 93 million miles away. This proves locality. Huge proof. Show us the pear shape of Earth. NASA.